Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is show you how to put the wheels, how to draw the wheels on, and then assemble the axles and all the wheels on. So first of all, I need to save everything. I haven't saved the last few things I've done. It's good to keep saving things just in case it crashes or something, and then you don't want to lose everything. And I'm going to reactivate car assembly. You might notice we've got quite a lot of planes going on at the moment, and they're a bit annoying. So if you click down on here, you can select all of them and they'll disappear, and you can put them back if you need them later on. So I'm going to go create, and I'm going to create a wheel. Click OK. Right. Create features is already selected, and then I'm going to extrude, and I want to extrude onto the end of this axle that we created last time. The only reference we need is the outside of the axle. Sorry, close that. Sketch view, and we're going to draw two circles. So a circle for the hole in the wheel, and then a larger circle. And if we sort of come to here, that should be quite nice. So I'll make it a little bit bigger. So we'll make it 70 like that, and then we can tick that. Okay, and then this wants to be 6mm thick, like that, and tick, and reactivate the assembly. Oh, I went the wrong way. So I've sort of come out from the end, I should have gone in. But that's easy, it's good to show you that as well. So wheel, click down, it was extrude one, right click on that and edit definition. And now I can just drag that way and change that to 6. And now I'm going to just check. So now, yeah, that's going nicely up to my axle. I could have actually left a little bit of a gap and put a washer in there or something, but for this that'll be absolutely fine. And tick. Okay, so now we've got the wheel there, and we just want to now put in the axle on this side and attach the other 3 wheels. So we're just going to go assemble and axle, open, and this time we're going to select the outside edge of that and the inside edge of that, and it automatically lines that up with the hole. Right, then we're going to select the end of this, and we want it to be coincident with the end of that axle there, and just change that where it says distance. We'll drop down, change it to coincident, and now you can see it's in exactly the right place, and tick, and then assemble. Right, the wheel isn't there because I haven't saved it, so click on save and then assemble, and the wheel's there. And then for the wheel, again, we select the inside of that hole, the outside of the axle, and then that outside face and that face, change it to coincident, and that goes on there. And then we just turn it round, and I'll just tick it, and then we can assemble the other wheels on the other side. So just put that down, and we're going to go the inside of that to the outside of that. Okay, this one's already got some constraints, so we need to click on placement and click on there, right click and delete, right click and delete. Okay, so now we should be able to go to the end of the axle and the end of the wheel, and then we wanted the outside of the axle and that inside of there. Okay, and then we'll go from that that as well. No, that's completely messed it up. Okay, so I'm going to, like before, just cancel that, click yes, and assemble wheel. Okay, so before I do anything, I'm going to delete those, and then that will help. Okay, so now it's like it was before. So we're going for the outside of that, and the inside of that, and then that outside face, and the end of the axle. Oh, I did the wrong thing there. So I'll just delete that one. So we want to go from the end of the axle. Oh, what's it doing? Okay, this can be a bit annoying sometimes. So from there to there. Okay, and then we can tick that. Right, and then we've got that wheel on, and then we'll just repeat that for the last one. Wheel. Okay, and so click on placement, delete that, and then we should be able to select the outside of the axle, the inside of that hole, then that face, and change that to coincident. Okay, that one worked really nicely. I don't know what was going on before. And tick, and now we've got our car with our 4 wheels and our roof and our 4 axles, and obviously you can add in the windows, you can round everything off nicely, you can put in your cam things that are going to work as well, but that's sort of the basis of what you need to do, and all you need to change is the shape of the side part and the roof to fit your design.